Good morning student. Today we are going to learn exercise number 3. So first question is represent the following subtractions on the number line. The first question is 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Initially we need to draw a number line like this. Move 7 steps from 0 to 7 on the right side of the 0. So this gives plus 7. So we need to subtract minus 2. So move 2 steps from 7 on the left hand side. From 7 to we need to move like this. So we will get 5. So 5 is the required answer. So second question is 8 minus 7. So initially we need to draw a number line. So first number is 8. Move 8 steps from 0 on the right side. So we need to move 8 steps like this. So next move 7 steps from 8 on the right side. Why? Because minus into minus will get plus value. So minus into minus will get a plus value. So move 7 steps from 8 on the right hand side. So we will get plus 7. So the final value is 15. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Next, the third question, 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. So initially we need to draw a number line like this. The first number is 3. Move 3 steps from 0 on the right side. So 0 నుండి 3 steps మనం మూవ్ చేస్తే అది 3 దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. So move 7 steps. Second number is 7. So we need to move 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the final answer is minus 4. Next, fourth bit is 15 minus 14. Again we need to draw a number line. Move 15 steps from 0 to 15 like this. We need to subtract 14 steps. So we need to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the final result is 1. So 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Next, fifth one is 5 minus 8. So minus into minus will get plus. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So draw a number line like this. Move 5 steps from 0. So 0 nunchi 5 steps plus 5. So we will get minus into minus plus. So move 5 steps from 5 on the right hand side. So we need to move 8 steps like this. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. The last bit is minus 2 minus 1. So we will get minus into minus, we will get plus value. So we will get minus 1. So draw a number line. Move 2 steps. So 0 నుండి 2 steps left hand side move చేసాం. తర్వాత plus 1. Move 1 step from minus 2 on the right side. So minus 2 నుంచి ఒక స్టెప్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మూవ్ చేస్తే అది minus 1 దగ్గర అదే ఆగింది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ minus 1. మనకి రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాయి. Next question, 17 minus minus 14. So we can write like this, 17 minus into minus, we can write 14. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So minus into minus plus, 3 plus 8, 11. 19 minus into minus plus, 9 plus 5, 14. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we will get minus value here, highest value. So 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So highest value minus is there, so we can write like this. So minus 30. Again 33, we have 33 and 25. So 13, 1, we'll get 8 minus 8. So 80 minus into minus, we will get plus. 8 plus 3, 5, 13. So 130. 150 minus 75. So we will get 75. So 32 minus into minus plus, 32 plus 18. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. And the last question of this exercise is, represent minus 6 as the sum of a negative integer and a whole number. So we have to take one negative integer and a whole number. Negative integers means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are whole numbers, these are negative integers. So I am taking minus 6 plus 0, I will get minus 6. Minus 7 plus 1, I will get minus 6. Minus 8 plus 2, I will get minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3, I will get minus 6. Minus 10 plus 4, I will get minus 6. Minus 11 plus 5, I will get minus 6. So with this we can complete exercise number 3.